Hey everyone, so this is my name tag. My name is Jenna. I guess like my process behind this was I always feel like I'm not very artistic, so this was like probably will take me longer than any of my other assignments at complete, but that's okay. So I just like went ahead and like drew my name and then I colored it in. I did the J in brown and tan just because I thought like it like represented like who I was. I'm a mix, so my dad is white and my mom is Hispanic. So I did that to just like represent like who I am as a person. I did the E in like different like triangles and squares, ovals, circles to represent like something that I'm passionate about, which is children. And so to me, that just like was a representation of that. The first N, I just did circles and a color just because I feel like. And then the second, well, hold on. And then the second one, I did just gray because I feel like both of the ends were just like a way to like demonstrate. Like sometimes I feel, this way, and other times I feel just quiet into myself. So I thought like that was a good balance between the two of them because sometimes I feel really funny and outgoing, and other times I just want to kind of be to myself. And then I did this A just because I generally feel pretty happy, and I thought that it felt happy. So then I went ahead and I used Sharpie and I went ahead and cut out my name and I stuck it on a black piece of construction paper. And I added this tree just because it's just like a growing tree and I feel like that's like where I am in my life. So I used it as like a representation of myself. I'm growing and I have all these branches and I'm hoping to um, offer something one day into the education field in one way or another. And then I just used this, and I used this like this was a magazine, and then this is also from magazines. And I just cut out who were you made to be. And I just thought that was just like something that I think right now at my age and where I am, that this was just like a really perfect way to represent myself. I tried to keep in mind lines and space and using different materials, which was required by the instructor. And I found that to be quite hard because I typically find myself not to be very artistic. Um, so I did my best. So yeah, so that's me. Thank you.